Hello, and welcome to Aviation 101 with Laura. Did you know there is a very easy way that you can use the FAA's website to get temporary authority to exercise your airman certificate privileges? I'm just going to quickly show you how. So I'm going to log in at the FAA's Airman Services Registry website. I will put a link in the video description. I also can use this to change my address releasability. I have another video about that I will link in the video description. But let's just log in and let's talk about why I might even want to do this. Let's say I have lost my wallet got destroyed, stolen, I don't know what happened to it, or I somehow left my medical or something behind when trying to do a check ride. And you're like, oh, panicking. Okay. In any of those situations would definitely be worrisome. Okay. But in this menu, so I've logged in now, I can request temporary authority to exercise certificate privileges. So let me just click on that. Okay. Has some information here. It does cost money. $2 if you want to get an actual replacement certificate. So like the certificate is actually stolen or destroyed. But if it's just, I don't know, you somehow left it somewhere, you know where it is, and you just need to exercise your privileges and you need temporary authority to do that, then you can click next. And then here you can pick the certificates that you need temporary authority to exercise privileges. So I could select that I need that for my ATP certificate. And I could put that I just need it because it was, pick any of these reasons. Yeah. And you can then go to the bottom to this and make sure that you have your right email address in there, and you can do this for free. And just also make sure that you are getting emails from the right email address. They do have their address listed, so you can use it there. So hopefully this was helpful to you. Thanks for watching Aviation 101 with Laura, and have a great day.